guys, good morning all of you. My name is Rakesh Shirke and you are watching my channel. So guys, this is lecture number 2 from inorganic reaction mechanism. It is unit number 1 from inorganic chemistry. Okay. So this is 1.2 ligand substitution reaction. As we know what is mean by ligand substitution reaction, the replacement of ligand into the complex, that is called as ligand substitution reaction. Okay, so let us see octahedral complex. In that the point is octahedral complexes without breaking of metal ligand bond, that is use of isotopic labeling method. Okay, it is for 4 marks and it is very important topic. Okay, so let us see octahedral complexes without breaking of metal ligand bond. As we know what is meant by octahedral complex, the central metal atom or ion is attached to 6 ligand. Okay, and in this octahedral complex without breaking of metal ligand bond, that means any metal in the complexes do not break metal ligand bond by using the isotopic labeling method. So let us see, these are substitution reaction in which exchange take place without cleavage of metal ligand bond. That means in the octahedral complex without cleavage of metal ligand bond take place, without cleavage of Ml bond. Okay, so let us see the example of ligand substitution reaction without breaking of metal ligand bond. Okay, so we have to take NH3 5 CO2. Okay, this is one complex that is octahedral having plus charge and then taken in a acidic medium. 2H plus indicate acidic medium. Then the replacement of ligand take place but without breaking of metal ligand bond. Let us see, NH3 5 COOH2O, complex charge is 3 plus. Okay, so this is one example. Okay, and in this example do not take isotope labeling part. Okay, so this is general example, indicate without breaking of metal ligand bond. Let us see the name of this complex. As we know, in this complex 5 amine group and 1 carbonato. CO2O means what? CO3, that is carbonato ligand. Okay, so how to write the name alphabetically? Pentaamine, carbonato, cobalt, 3 ion. The name of this complex is pentaamine carbonato, cobalt 3 ion. Okay, this complex is converted into pentaamine aqua cobalt cobalt 3 ion. Okay, so how this conversion take place? By using the acidic medium. Okay, or excess of acid is when added into this complex, then formation of pentaamine aqua cobalt 3 ion. In this example, let us see, this is CO bond means what? This is metal, CO means what? Cobalt, and oxygen is the donor atom, so it is whole ligand molecule. This is whole ligand molecule. So let us see in the product, this CO bond is not break. Okay, so you can say this is without breaking of metal ligand bond. Okay, so metal ligand bond, this metal ligand bond, CO bonds in the reactant, CO bond in the product is not break, but exchange of CO2 by using the 2H plus ion easily take place by using the excess of acid added into it. म्हणजे काय, पेंटाअमाइन कार्बोनेटो कोबाल्ट थर्ड आयन हा पेंटाअमाइन एक्वा कोबाल्ट थर्ड आयन मध्ये कन्वर्ट झालेला आहे बिकॉज ॲडिशन ऑफ एक्सेस ॲसिडमुळे. ठीक आहे, बट ह्याच्यामध्ये जो काय कोबाल्ट आणि ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड आहे तो ब्रेक झालेला नाही. Let us see also in the product, cobalt and oxygen bond is not break. So this is without breaking of metal ligand bond in octahedral complex. And as we know, what is mean by octahedral complex? There are 6 donor atom into it, so it's called as octahedral complex. As we know, in the reactant 5 ammonia and 1 carbonate ligand, that is 6 donor atom is present, and also in the product 1 H2O and 5 NH3. So this is general example. Okay, so let us see isotope labeling method. So in the answer we have to write just this is general example, and by using the general example we have to just take isotope labeling method. So in isotope labeling method we have to take when above reaction performed in the presence of O18 labeling water. Okay, this above reaction is now performed in O18 labeling of water. Okay, labeling of water. It is found that OO bond is rather than CO bond, which breaks as both produce do not show any octet of O18. Okay, that means by using this O18, that is isotope of oxygen, as we know O16, O17 and O18 are the isotope of oxygen. Just we have to take O18 isotope into the water and do acid hydrolysis, then you will also get the octahedral complex without breaking of metal ligand bond. So let us see the example of O18 labeling of water by using the above reaction. Okay, the reaction is same, but acid hydrolysis is take place by using the O18 labeling water. So let us see above example CONH3 5 COO2, that is carbonato part, as we know, bracket charge or complex sign is +1, and addition of water into hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, that oxygen is O18 label. Okay, generally oxygen atomic molecular weight is 16, but it is isotope labeling. Two neutron molecule is added into this oxygen, so it is isotope labeling method. Okay, so H3O plus means what, or H3O means what? Acid hydrolysis. When we have to form H3O, acid plus water, as we know, gives H3O plus. Okay, so this is isotope labeling method. Okay, so this H3O means what? Acid contain water or acid hydrolysis in a acidic medium. Okay, so by using this water label molecule in the presence of acid, then you will get the same product, that is NH3 5 COOH twice 3 plus, and the byproduct is CO2 plus 2 H2O 18. That means when we have to take O18 label water in with the help of acid, then your breaking of CO bond take place by using the labeling of this water molecule. ओके, म्हणजे याचा यूज काय ॲक्च्युली तर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ CO बॉन्ड म्हणजे कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड, कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजनमधला बॉन्ड ब्रेक करण्यासाठी जनरली आपण O18 लेबल ऑक्सिजन घेतो. बट रिॲक्शन सेम आहे, फक्त याचा यूज काय तर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ CO बॉन्ड विल टेक प्लेस इझिली. Okay, so let us see the example of this ligand substitution reaction octahedral complex without breaking of metal ligand bond. Okay, so let us see the mechanism of this reaction. First, as we know, we have to take in the mechanism, we have to take your main reactant molecule NH3 5, then your central metal CO and your carbonate ion looking like this. Okay, and when we have to add acid, 1 mole of acid into it, then excess of acid is added, but the excess of acid react 1 by 1 mole. First mole of acid or H plus ion reacts with the reactant and you will get NH3 5 CO cobalt oxygen C double bond O oxygen, and this lone pair is used to form bond with oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, and your complex charge of the reactant is plus. Then when we have to add H plus ion into it, then your complex charge will be 2 plus. Okay, and you can write the resonance form of it. How? NH3 5 CO oxygen C double bond O oxygen minus, and this oxygen have also 2 lone pair. One lone pair is used to form bond with, or here the oxygen atom will donate the oxygen, 2 electron donate toward the oxygen, and one negative charge is also present on the oxygen, another to oxygen, because why? Carbonate ion have a 2 minus charge, that means 4 electrons. Okay, so out of that 4 electron, any 2 of this donor atom, one donate electron toward the metal. So the H plus ion is also attached with this oxygen, so you can join the H plus ion, okay, with this oxygen molecule. Okay, so then one process is take place, that is elimination of CO2. How? This oxygen lone pair, extra lone pair is transferred into carbon oxygen bond, then valency of carbon will be increases, valency increase होईल, कारण का ही लोन पेयर जर आपण या कार्बन ऑक्सिजन मध्ये ट्रान्सफर केली तर कार्बनची व्हॅलेन्सी 5 होईल, म्हणून काय होणार आहे, हा कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड पुन्हा ऑक्सिजनवर काय करेल, लोन पेयर क्रिएट करेल. ओके, लोन पेयर क्रिएट झाल्यानंतर आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लोन पेयर your complex is CH3 5 CO OH OH minus, and complex charge is 2 plus. Then just we have to add second mole of acid into it. Okay, then you will get NH3 5 CO OH2 3 plus. Okay, so this is what pentaamine aquo cobalt third ion is formed. Let us see, this carbon oxygen bond is not broken. Okay, only the carbonate ion is replaced by 2H plus ion. Okay, so this is what octahedral complexes without breaking of metal ligand bond. Okay, so this is isotope labeling method. Okay, so just we have to add water with the help of O18 label oxygen. O18 is to O18 label oxygen. Okay, only 2 neutrons is added into the water or on the oxygen. Okay, so O16 is converted into O18. So that is isotope labeling method and very important. Okay, thank you.